Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Decor series, we're exploring Baileys Strawberry something or another. Matt, tell me more about this product while the people hit the like and subscribe button.
Baileys Strawberry and Cream, which Will is here to let for punishment for this one. Oh, it's 17%. Yay! Original Baileys Irish cream with strawberry and vanilla added. Yay! It's fresh strawberries and Irish cream, just like Will really required. Here's some nice cocktails: the strawberry and cream colada, the strawberries and cream shortcake, and the strawberries and cream mousse. All right, let's see what we get.
Matt knows how much I enjoy sweet things, so.
Oh, I knew he was excited.
He gets a kick out of sending me these cream-based liqueurs.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, is that ever
strawberries, cream, vanilla, and sugar? Yay!
See, I get it in the order like sugar, strawberries, and then cream.
Yeah, totally.
It's whew. And it looks like it's going to be nice and coating too, just the way I enjoy my sweet beverages. Clingy.
Exactly. It's nice and thick and creamy. Yep,
Yay.
Tastes like strawberry, vanilla, cream, little caramel. Yeah, tiny hint of whiskey on the back end there. From the Baileys, from the Irish whiskey in there.
Oh my gosh, I get no sweetness. I mean, I get no whiskey at all. It is all the strawberries and then a lot of cream.
It is like the very hint last finishes where you pick up the little base of it. The rest of it is all sugar and cream.
I'd have to really be searching for it, man.
Oh, I had to look for it for a while.
Sweet. I can add it to some coffee. That'd be a fun little sweetener.
Oh, this is like perfect dessert. Like if you love strawberries and cream, this is totally for alley. It tastes like dessert. It's very dangerous because it's the alcohol. You taste the alcohol, but not a ton, and it's pretty dangerous, thick coating stuff.
I think I taste more alcohol in most red wines than I do in this thing, and this thing is a higher percentage than that is. So
that's funny.
All right,
it's delicious. It says yummy.
Okay,
The bottle says at least.
You always got to trust that advertising.
Absolutely.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.
All right, last one.